同济大学是一所优秀的综合性的大学，实力非常强。学校在综合素质培养、师资力量和校园文化等方面都非常优秀。在我的眼中，同济大学是一所充满力量和活力的大学。我相信，在同济大学的学习和生活将是我人生中最难忘的经历。
Tongji University is the perfect place to kickstart your career and achieve your goals with focus on modern technology and team of experienced professors. You'll be able to learn and grow both personally and professionally.
在同济大学学习的期间，是我人生中一段非常宝贵的经历。我不仅获得了专业的知识和技能，也收获了独立思考和解决问题的能力，以及与他人交流合作的能力。这些经验和知识将帮助我走向未来的人生道路。
I've had the privilege of being immersed in an exceptional learning atmosphere. The guidance of experienced professors has instilled in me the confidence and boldness needed to excel. The university offers various platforms for students to showcase their talents, allowing to grow and thrive. And additionally, attending inspiring lectures and making many friends are some of the incredible experience you can expect here.
如果学弟学妹和朋友们选择同济大学，我会建议他们要认真学习，积极参与各种实践活动，保持积极乐观的心态，并珍惜学校提供的各种资源。大学生活是充满挑战和机遇的，只有充分利用这些机会，并不断地提升自己，才能获得更好的未来和发展前景。
Tongji University is looking for a diverse range of students and experiences, so stay organized, be confident during interviews, and meet up all the admission criteria.
我的未来选择和方向是建筑学相关的领域，我会持续学习和探索，不断地积累实践和经验项目，并做出最适合自己的角色。在实力允许情况下，建立自己的设计所，把更多的创意思想引入实践。我还要充分发挥好桥梁纽带的作用，为中塔两国合作共赢在立新功。
I've always been fascinated by the incredible work of architects such as Norman Foster, Zaha Hadid, and my dream is to design an amazing building that will bear my name. I really enjoy the bustling campus life. The atmosphere is incredible and I absolutely adore exploring the university, visiting library, playing tennis and rock climbing activities.